Here's a powerful new TradingView indicator, as well as a highly accurate strategy based on it. To begin, open the Indicators panel in TradingView and search for Trend Filter. Choose the one created by Big Beluga. Once added, the indicator will appear directly over your price chart. The indicator has two main parts, the trend filter line and a dotted line. The trend filter line, derived from a two-pole filter, changes color in real time based on the trend's direction and strength. You can adjust the length setting to 34 to make the line smoother and less sensitive to small short-term pullbacks. Our goal is to use it for trend confirmations, not for standalone buy-sell signals. When the trend filter line is green, the market is in an uptrend. When it's red, the market is in a downtrend. A yellow or orange color usually indicates a transition, suggesting the trend might be shifting. The dotted line appears below the main line when the market is trending up and above it when the market is trending down. These dots represent consecutive increases or decreases in the trend filter line and can act as dynamic support or resistance levels. You can customize the number of increases or decreases needed to trigger these dots in the settings. For better trend confirmation, you can enable signal notifications, which display small triangles whenever the dotted line changes position or color. However, it's recommended to use this tool primarily for identifying and confirming trends. When the trend filter line is green, focus on long setups, and when it's red, concentrate on short setups. Use another indicator, like the stochastic indicator, to filter your entries with valid trade signals that match the overall trend. For a valid short signal in a downtrend, wait for the stochastic K% and D% lines to be above 80, and then look for a cross beneath 80 for a sell signal. Enter the short position on the next candle, place your stop loss above the recent swing high, and aim for a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. For a valid buy signal in an uptrend, wait until both stochastic lines drop below 20. When the blue line crosses above the orange line and closes above 20, this confirms a buy signal. Enter the long position when the next candle opens, set your stop loss below the latest swing low, and target a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment and I'll respond as soon as I can. Don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications so you don't miss any new videos. Good luck with your trading.